Hello and welcome to GT eForms 3.x Functional Fluid Forms for PeopleSoft. If you watched the previous videos in the series, you saw me quickly create a dynamic and fully configurable award nomination form. We're excited to share even more valuable configuration features to help your organization reach its goals. In this video, we'll look at ways you can streamline a form's usability using value lists, logic stacks, and grid population. Our award nomination form lets a user nominate an individual or a team for an award. What if we want to improve our form to let users nominate an entire department? With a GT value list, I don't have to get permission to add new translate values to the system. I can simply navigate to my nomination type field, select value list, and add a new custom value for the nomination form to use. I can even change the order my drop-down values will appear on my form. Let's check it out. Let's streamline this form further for department directors so that when they start a form, the department option is pre-selected. I'm going to use a GT define smart source to define my condition in a logic stack. If the current user has the department director role, then use the default value of D. Note that I set up a data pool data source to return a form's user roles before this demonstration. I can add this new define smart source anywhere I can use other dynamic data sources. I'm going to add this smart source to the nomination type field. If the form submitter has the department director role, default the nomination type to D for department. Otherwise, leave the field blank for all other users. I'll start a form as a department director so we can take a look. Well, that's handy. Let's extend this form's value even further for department directors by defaulting department employees into the team grid. First, I'll have to add a new field for department award and set it up as a prompt. Create a query data source that returns all the users in a certain department. In the data pool, join the query bind to the new department award field. Now we have a data source returning all the employees in the selected department. Next, set up the fields in the team grid to initialize from the new data source. Now when a department director uses the award nomination form, it automatically defaults to department award, only for users in this role. Then when they select the department, it loads the team grid with all the department employees. All of this was accomplished with only functional configuration. GT eForms has more features than ever to meet the complex business needs of your organization. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos in this series for more advanced form topics.